So you want to play better drum fills? I know you do. What's up everyone, Eddie here. I hope you're all doing well. And today we're breaking down one of the most used patterns in the drum world, which is going to give you amazing fills. So as always, my videos are not just about sharing one fill with you, giving you one fill to practice, but sharing the concept and the tools so that you can make 100 fills with this one idea. Because I believe just copying is not enough. And you have to find your own voice, your own unique sound with the patterns that you learn. All right, let's dive in. The pattern of today is right, left, kick. Now, before you think, oh, I know that pattern already, you don't. Because I'm going to show you how to apply it in ways you have not done it before. First of all, most drummers play this pattern in triplets. This pattern is also known as the Bonham triplet. And although it sounds amazing, today we're going to focus on playing this right-left kick pattern in straight time, in 16th notes to be specific. Now let's break it down in a one-bar fill first. We need 16 notes in total, so we're going to play the group of 3 right-left kick 5 times, giving us 15 notes, and we'll add one more note, giving us 16 in total for the one-bar fill. Here's the example on my snare drum first. All right, once that feels comfortable, you're gonna move your right hand to your floor tom. That changes the sound completely. All right, pretty cool already, but this is where the magic comes in. We're going to use some tools to apply to this pattern that makes it super awesome and gives you endless possibilities to come up with your own fills. And the first tool is dynamics. Dynamics makes everything comes to life. There's 4 options with this pattern. We can play no accents, we can play a right hand accent, we can play a left hand accent, or we can play 2 accents. So these alone are just exercises, but the fun begins when you put them together in a fill, and not just in a 1-bar fill, but in a 2-bar fill, meaning we need 32 notes in total. So we can play the pattern 10 times, giving us 30 notes, and add another right-left accents at the end of the fill. So here's an example of using these different blocks in a 2-bar fill. let me give you a few more examples up to speed so that you can hear what you're working towards. Sounds pretty cool, right? And now it's really up to you. I can give you a few combinations, but then you would just be copying my combinations. It's way more interesting to create your own variations. Just grab the 4 blocks, put them in a 2-bar fill, and start creating your own variations, which will give you amazing fills and endless possibilities. And if this is something you struggle with to develop your own ideas and you want to dive into this and develop that more, this is something I do in my membership, The Flow Collective, where we work together on developing these ideas and create the freedom in our fills and grooves all around the drum kit. Just look in the description if you want to know more about it. That's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.